Hi, this is Raja from cmraja.net. This is a video review and a demonstration of Affiliate Magician. In a few words, Affiliate Magician is a video course offered by Dan Khan. And in this course, Dan Khan is teaching us how to set up the sales funnels and email marketing properly. And he does that in three stages: the beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I will show that in the demo part of this video. If you like the demonstration of the product and if you want to purchase it, please use the link below. This link provides not only the Affiliate Magician product, also the custom bonuses which I have put together. When you click the link, you will come to the page, this page. Let me go through this page quickly. So this page comes live in couple of hours, 10 a.m. EST today, that is 17th of May. And this page is valid for coming few days. Once this timer expires, the pages and the bonuses are not going to be valid anymore. What I'm going to demonstrate is the front end offer today. So for $12.95 you will get what I'm going to demonstrate today. And if you use this link to purchase it, what I'm going to do is send you this additional bonuses which I have put together. First bonus is 10x commissions. This is a video tutorial by Brendan Mays. And if you are interested in very specific like driving free traffics, he gives amazing hacks about free buyer traffic, free traffic from blogs, free traffic sources. I won't go in details. The next bonus is crazy traffic explosions. This is a ebook which is offering tons and tons of traffic hacks. If you look at it, it's a 60 pages ebook. The next bonus is the loss code. This is a video tutorial by Brendan Mays again. In this tutorial, Brendan Mays is giving some secrets about driving free traffic from YouTube, some cheap quality traffics from Bing, and some underground traffic sources. The next bonus is the secret weapon. This is a course from Jono Armstrong and which amazingly complements the Affiliate Magician. Here Jono gives tips about picking up a right offer, crafting a free course. I won't go in much detail. Retargeting pixel, free driving from Facebook, solo ads there. The last and final amazing bonus is 0-hour workdays. 0-hour workdays is another tutorial offered by Brendan Mays. Here he's again covering free traffic sources, but this course focuses on the case studies. So there are amazing 3 case studies of how you achieve amazing traffic, and there are some free resources which is of much interest to you. Won't go in detail. Now back to our sales page. So I want to remind you that these offers are only available if you purchase the Affiliate Magician using my affiliate link provided below. And now quickly jump into the demonstration of the product. This is what it will look if you buy the front end offer, which is $12.99. Once you are in, you will see that Dan is focusing on product selection, and the next 3 courses are related to sales funnel creation. There is a beginner method, there is an intermediate method, and there is an advanced method. And I highly recommend getting to the advanced method quickly. So this is a 4-day course offered there, and this is what we were talking about earlier, bringing value rather than pushing sales to the customer, and setting up of email marketing for in 3 different mode like beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and finally getting some traffic across. If you have any questions related to the product or the bonuses, or if you want to see more details about the bonuses, don't hesitate, reach out to me in the YouTube comment section. I again remind that please purchase the product using my affiliate link so that I can give you the bonuses for free. The front end offer is $12.99, and hope you like the demo, and hope you find value in this video. Thank you.